Hey guys, my name is George here. So it's my birthday today. Yeah. Tell me in the comments below if you like. If you wanna, it's like a birthday to you. But you can see I'm not in my room over there. My room is obviously here. Okay, let's go. So I'm in my my TV set in here. So first thing I got, bam, Micromix again. I don't know what is this, but yeah, it's very cool. And bam, album Ghost Stories and a couple of DVDs in here. And I want to review it right now. It's so collectible. I'm just kidding. And some merchandise. Nothing. So, and here it is. Bam! Jurassic Park. Wait, it's the side of it. Pretty sweet. It's the back of it. Can I see? Okay, that glare. Okay. And Proclins. So I'm back. And if a 2 DVDs, they're very cool. So, and last is The Lost World, Jurassic Park. I hate that really glare. Okay, you're gonna see my camera. The Lost World, Jurassic Park. Here's the back of it. Glare. So, there's a couple of videos in here. It's like, yeah. But first, the unboxing. Yeah, so this is Micromix. I think Diego from Ice Age 3 Standard Edition. I'm gonna wish you. Okay, you guys see it first. Oh no, it's the bubble wrap. Okay, so from that. Done with that, and okay. So I get it from Entertainment Art, like my mom said. I was from Entertainment Art. Okay. Real? Okay. So anyway, guys. Okay, so cut the tape right here. You guys see it first. Bam. And all the Diego and all. Yes. Gosh, this figure's so ugly. I don't like this now. I'm just kidding. Oh man. It's a good feature. Wait. Guys, you guys can see this. Okay. No, I keep this box. Okay. Box day! Okay. Yeah, it just, the articulation just feel like this. That's the Micromix, Rick thing. Okay. It's by Words of Melness, of course. So, there's a couple DVDs in here. So that's my short unboxing video for you guys. Please check out Toys Days International. After this, I will review first the Jurassic Park. So, bye.